every single NEEDOH on the market, and I'm going to show you every single one of them in this video. And this is our last video in the studio because we're headed to the new one. It's a simple video to show you every single NEEDOH that's on the market, so maybe you find one that you want and you can go searching for them. Also, little plug, next week's video with NEEDOHs is insane. Valentine's Day edition. This one I drove 2 hours for, and there were only a few left, and I was so lucky to get them. These are not my favorite, okay? These are just cute. Like, this is a cute, like, oh, I have a collection I'm gonna add to them. They're really not that good, but it's up to you. Then, my absolute favorite ones are these. You can tell this blue one I use 24/7. I haven't really used this pink purplish one. These are the NEEDOH Nice. I just love them. They are so hard. Also, my spray tan doesn't match my hands. Just ignore it because I know I'm gonna get bullied. I just love it. This one's really tough because I haven't been using it. And then look at this one. I use this one almost every day. So they're so good. There's so much tension, and they actually make a mini one, which is this, which also I use this one a lot at like work. So it's pretty broken in, but they're still good. Now, little fun fact, if you go to Walmart on restock mornings and you're one of the first people in, that's where I always find these fully stocked. Oh, I just don't want to stop playing with it. They're just so good. And they take a while to break in, but they're worth it. Swirl ones. These are, oh wait, no, that's a pink one. I didn't even know I had that. They're a lot less tensiony from the ice from these, but they're kind of the same. They're like the same category, different fonts, if that makes sense. But really, really like them. The pink purple, the pink blue, I'm gonna go unpack them. Then I have the donut one. I found this at a mom and pop shop. It was like a haircut place. These are just not my favorite. These just feel like old like stress balls from like the 90s. They're not that great. They're just there. I honestly wouldn't waste your money on that if you like the whole NEEDOH feel. Then I have this one. I found this at a Disney knockoff store. And I think this is the Mallow one. The Mallow. It's the color changing one. It was in a box that didn't belong to it. I like it. Again, super stressy. I have every single ball, which this I got over the span of like a month. And honestly, again, Walmart, when I restocked is when I got them. 6 a.m. when that door opens, you need to be first in there because that's where I got them. So I have the purple one. I have the orange one. The orange one is definitely less like squishy because I haven't used it as much. And then my favorite one out of all of them is the pink one. I just love it. I just love it. Then I have these. Okay, these are the weird ones. I got this at the knockoff Disney store. Like, I'm telling you, it's a Disney store across from Disney, but it's not real Disney. Sometimes the shirts are misspelled. It's a monster NEEDOH. I have never seen these. And the difference is that these come out and it's like a little NEEDOH holder, and you can change them based on the color of like the NEEDOHs you want in. So you just like pop it in there. It's bizarre. I don't know. I honestly thought these were fake at the time, but then I went online and they had them, so they weren't that fake. The crunchy NEEDOHs, I don't like. I've seen so many people like literally fight over these. It's baking soda inside of them, but I just like the smooth feel. And piggybacking off of that, I did find the snowball. Guess where? Guess where? Where I got Riggs's haircut at another mom and pop place. So like maybe just go check places that like are small mom and pop places that you probably wouldn't think to find them. But this is the snowball. It's crunchy. It makes a weird crunch sound. The gummy bear. I found this at another Disney knockoff store. Was absolutely shocked. This one is more water filled, but it does the deed. It does the stress stuff. A lot of people like this. I just always am scared that I'm going to pop it. So, and I have two of those. I have the purple and I have the orange. I have another one of the monster ones. Again, super weird thing. Again, this is like one you would just put in your collection and you're like, want to see a magic trick of what I have? Look. And then it's this one. So, then I have like the regular like NEEDOHs. I actually got this one before it was popular. It was just something I bought, which is so funny because I used to see these all the time everywhere. And until this fiasco with like TikTok blowing it up, you could find them almost anywhere you wanted. Okay, then I have the Easter edition egg. This one, I tried to find on social media if it worked for people. I too drove 2 hours to get this at a Walmart. It's good. It's a little sticky. Now that I left it out, it's less sticky. It's a lot like the Nice. The only thing is it's supposed to change colors. I never got mine to change colors, and I have 2 of them. And that was the disappointing thing. What's that TikTok sound like? Be weird if it happened to me and I have 2 pennies, something like that. Then I found the cool cat ones. I got these, again, 2 hours away from here. There's like a small town Walmart, like 2.5 hours from here, and that's where I got literally all of these. But you would think like the kids there would buy them out, but they didn't. Then I have the Splat ones. I think that's what they're called. Sploon Splat. Oh my gosh, I don't think I've ever opened this one. How did we get away with that? I think I did. I think I had an extra. This one is not my favorite. It feels like a spider in your hands. And I mean, if you like spiders, oh, it has a huge air bubble. If you like spiders, then it's the one for you, but it was not the one for me. Okay, then I have the little green Ripple. It's kind of cool. I like the mini ones. I really like the Ripple edition. Then I literally begged this guy to let me have the box. It was like the small town store. This is the marble one. This one we popped already. I had 2. Is water inside. The water ones are very like weird, but I feel like you could play some really, like if it's just you or someone else, like you could play some really fun catch as long as you don't like drop it. Then I have another color changing one. This one's the blue one. In my one video, I guessed what colors they were gonna be before they came out. The one I really want to find, I've yet to find the gumdrop, and that's the one I want to find. Then I have another pink Nice Cube, and then like the mini one. Some of these are really beat up because some of these were like hiding in stores. Look at that. It's literally so good. These are my favorite. I'm doing a giveaway. I love you guys, but I'm keeping the little iceberg one for me. And then I have a purple crunchy one. I got this at Five Below. The other day I just happened to go in and they restocked. If you go in these stores like literally moments before they open, boom, you got them. And then I have another pink one, but this isn't crunchy. It was just in the wrong box. So that is the haul of them. I know I have a couple more, but like I said, this is the last video in this studio. Everything's packed up. We have a new studio we're going to. Just in time. Next week's project comes out on Saturday. It is insane. It is insane. We're in the pre-production part of it right now, and I have so many amazing people like helping me pull it together that I cannot wait for you guys to see it. But if you don't know, I give these out every night. You just have to spread kindness in my comment sections and you will get one. So it might be a bad day, month, or year, but it's not a bad life. I'll see you on the flippy floppy. Goodbye where it all started.